Hi everyone, it's Lisa with InkandInspirations.com. Thanks for joining me today. In this video, I have a quick tip that is very helpful for me. I've shared it before, but I know I have some new viewers, so I wanted to share it again. And it's talking about being prepared with some pieces of cardstock that you use all the time. Now, you see here I have some Whisper White cardstock. Okay, I have several packs of this in my stash at a time because I use it like crazy. It's great for stamping on, but it's also great for writing on. And so I use this in our very vanilla cardstock for the inside of my handmade cards. So what I do is I have this box and I have a pack of cardstock and I'll have it cut all at one time, 4 by 5 1/4. Okay, so that when I need the inside for a card so that I can write a message, I'm trying to pull one out here. Then here's a card I've made. It needs the inside. And a lot of times I'll leave the inside just blank so I have plenty of room to write. But you can see that 4 by 5 1/4 piece fits perfectly inside with a little bit of border around the edges, and it works just great. I keep this box with all of these pieces of Whisper White cut and the very vanilla cut on my desk so that I can finish off a card whenever I need to. Okay, I hope that little tip helps. If you have any questions, let me know. Visit my website at InkandInspirations.com. You'll find the link to shop now at the online store. Go ahead and stock up on some Whisper White and very vanilla cardstock, and you will be on your way to making some beautiful handmade cards. Have a great day. Bye-bye.